Good morning, friends. So yesterday, post this Fed meeting and Fed rate decision, we have seen that the market moving higher, and we have almost touched the second target of 2462 in the early hours of today's trade. For the first time in a long time, Fed chair has been giving some kind of hopeful assessment saying that we are near to the close to the achievement of the target of inflation of 2%. So ideally, he is looking out for a kind of rate cut in the month of September. So that is the reason as to why the gold was cheering and we were moving up. Uh, Quite surprisingly, the volumes which were supposed to pick up in the last leg of this bullish market, has not been picking up, and we had seen some kind of tepid selling volumes also, and that is the reason as to why we had to book 50% profit of all the longs at 2450 in the early hours of today's trade, and we are keeping hold of the rest of the 50% of the longs at with the stop loss at a 2424. So in case if we were to hit the stop loss and go below this, then the last leg of this bullish stretch could be considered as a failure, and then we will move towards sell on rise market. So we will assess that situation if 2424 is breached on the downside. But as of now, keep the remaining 50% of the trades open for the higher target of 2480. And if we find some kind of volume picking up, then we will open up 2520 also on the upside. So that is the ultimate target that we have been communicating for the last 2 weeks. Let's see if the volume has to pick up only, then we can comment on that particular front. The underlying trend for this particular day remains strongly bullish. The good buy is at 2442, current market price is around this. I don't advise adding any fresh longs here now. If you really want to take some kind of risky trade, then we can definitely try for best buy at 2433. For all the longs, now the stop loss is revised and stands at 2424. So for the remaining 50% of the positions that you are holding, keep a stop loss at 2424. Any move, any trades below 2424 will open up gates for sell on rise market. So we will assess at that point of time. Looking at the volumes in the early hours of the day, we find that no great volumes, especially yesterday's volume was almost flat by end of the day. We didn't had much to comment on the volumes that has happened in yesterday's breakout. And today early morning there was some kind of short covering. Then again the fresh shorts were being seen, but the volumes are very tepid. So nothing great to comment on the volumes front as of now. Usually, as I said, like this last stretch of the bullish leg usually attracts huge volumes. That is missing for this time. Maybe because of the prices are too high. The long contracts are not getting opened up. That will call for like any price below 2424 will attract huge sellers on the downside. So let us see how things will unfold from here on, and we will take decision accordingly. Stay connected even in the WhatsApp. In case something is there, I'll message. Otherwise, we will stay connected at 4 p.m. today. Thank you so much for watching this video.